16-9, UST all of a sudden trying to pull away here against San Sebastian, and we have found our Shakey's face of the game. There she is, mga kaibigan, si Colleen Rossi. 16 years old, taga Baguio City. Uy, kababayan ko pa to, taga Baguio City. Oh, lapit lang.
Pala sa kabila.
Alam mo, may Shakey sa Session Road. Ba't ka umabot dito? Face of the day po natin. Di naman niya kapatid si Alessandra, no?
Hindi siguro.
De Rossi naman.
De Rossi.
Si Carlo.
Baka yun. Tatay niya tayo eh. Si Carlo.
Ito ngayon, si Utaywan continuing to serve, 16-9. Bowley having a bad day so far. Benito, dug up there by Utaywan. Di makulangan for Judian Caballero. Oops! Banggan si Caballero, si Mike Ortiz, at si Di Makulangan. Di Makulangan just dropped it in. Nagkalat na nga UST doon, sila pa nagkapuntos.
Right, so good recovery from the Lady Tigers.
70-9, yes.
Parang Rhea probably was saying, teka, let's organize ourselves muna.
Moink.
Balik ko muna ito sa kapila.
Utaywan. Tagal na ito nagsaserve, ah.
Oh, may Crisostomo still.
Oh, hirap na hirap si Crisostomo today. That one goes through Balse, no? So that's a point for San Sebastian. So 17-10. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. So you're in trouble when Benito's your leading scorer. Here's Labiano. Balse. Di Makulangan, runner from Ortiz again.
Only a single block.
Pagod na si Benito, kakahabol dito kay Ortiz.
Well, you know, you would need more than one blocker in the case. Kasi ang running attack, medyo mahirap blocking yan.
Oh, saka alam mo, papalik cross-court yan somehow. Caballero.
Better reception this time.
Combination, naamangan, pero lumabas naman yung block ni Ortiz. So, again, Benito with the score, 18-11. UST's lead is down to 7. Ara Malyare. Put it in play. Balse. Di Makulangan across. Banatikla misses.
Outside.
So 18-12. Serving again is Malyare. Tignan natin kung UST naman ang maplatan dito. Nice serve.
Good serve. Dito Banatikla.
And
Block.
turned back that time by De Leon of all people, and Ortiz cannot get it through.
It was
18-13, yeah.
Wrong mistake.
Wrong mistake.
Oo, wrong mistake.
Nauna lundag sa talon. Lahat na pwede mangyari. 18-13. Malyari continues to serve. Started this game on the bench. Set up now.
Oh, that's outside.
Okay,
That's
Maru is now starting to miss.
second error from Maru.
And Oji Mamon wants to talk things over. Let's listen in to UST.
May receive naman tayo. Right? Albutan mo na yun. Maganda yung receive natin. Hindi ko lang maintindihan yung sa execution mo. Nakakatawa na yung kasama mo. Kaso kung natapon mo palayo, walang mangyayari. Kita mo yung
He's becoming one of my favorite coaches. Ito si Oji Mamon. And FEU Makati is offering degree programs in accountancy, accounting technology, information technology, and business administration. Call 836-2002 or visit www.feu.edu.ph. A very positive, motivating coach. May konting sermon din dyan. Mamaya sabihin niya, kalimutan mo na yun. Banatikla, bad reception there from Banatikla. UST is lucky to still have the ball. Here's Balse. And Malyari can't get it done. Oo. Ang layo na ng pinanggalingan ni Balse. Hindi pa rin nasanggan itong si Malyari. 19-14. And now, Rhea Di Makulangan. Labiano. De Leon. Benito across, and that one.
That makes it to the line.
Oh.
Well, Joy Benito working for the Lady Stag. So far, siya lang eh. Siya lang. It was all her. You know, reception. Yeah, but you know, you see her working all the way. Sa block, she tried the block. She really tries very hard sa blocking, sa reception.
Ayan, Yan, but they may dig. Kaya lang si Labiano naman yon. Di makulangan for Balse on the miss hit actually. Crisostomo cannot get there. Nagkabanggaan pa si Boli at si Crisostomo. So even the positioning of San Sebastian is terrible.
And come to think of it, that last attack wasn't really the strongest. Mataas pa nga yung dating ng bole. So, you know, they could have really given that back. Pero misreception pa rin.
Well, Ingrid Reyes now with that jump serve. At sabi ni Clint Malaso, pag-usapan muna natin kung paano natin tatanggapin to. They are down by 5. The Lady Stags are. Let's listen in.
Coverage natin si Den. Para nawala sa moment. Coverage natin. Ayaw natin makapalo. Wait. Ano natin ha? Humingi na lang humingi. Dumistansya ka. Ha? Para pagbasa natin ang third set. Humingi. Ha? Pag-block tulungan natin. Humingi kami ikaw. Kaya mag-galing ka dito. Pag binigay sa'yo, paluin mo.
So let's see what kind of adjustments they're going to have. And kanina during the coaching, to si Oji Mamon, nilabas yung kanyang iPad. That's actually the first time I've seen a coach use an iPad during the game.
Oh, high-tech yan si OG eh.
But I'm thinking na dapat sa basketball ganun din. Dapat meron din tayong, di ba, yung coaching, it's so easy to use it.
Although sa basketball, I would think they would need a bigger one than an iPad.
Kaya nga dapat kayo mag-invento ng malaking iPad.
Sige, Noel, yan ang ano mo. ikaw ang mag-ano niyan, ikaw ang mag-produce at saka mag-ano niya.
Hindi nga maka-invento ng pampalit ng gulong ng kotse na hindi na binobomba. Here is, nice reach by Taiwan. Boli off the hands of Taiwan. Here is the setup now for Balse. Blocked there by Balse.
Quick thinking from Ruby De Leon.
And Caballejo could not help herself. Nahawakan pa tuloy ni Judian.
Well, she really had to try because that's inside.
Right.
Let's see, Ruby De Leon here giving them a fast one. Yeah, it would have gone inside.
Yep. So 2016. Si De Leon, kailangan ng daanin din sa experience dito. Taiwan.
Taiwan up against a very small May Crisostomo.
Hindi ko alam kung covered ng insurance ni Crisostomo yung matamaan ka ng volleyball.
Isipin mo, compare how big Taiwan is at kung kanino pa niya.
Buti po pa yan. Alam mo, pwede siya maging Miss Potato Head yan. Tanggal yung braso, ganun, pero
well,
tibay naman eh.
Yeah, with the Taiwan, of course, hindi po pwede rin kasi ang single block.
Right.
A better reception this time.
And good coverage that time. Huy, nakatawid si Boli. At si De Leon ang natamaan din sa buka.
Well, yun yung mga sayang na opportunity kasi yun, maganda ang first ball.
Yeah.
Maganda din ang setup. Unfortunately, they had to commit an error.
Maruha Banatikla. Labiano. Boli. Back to Jolina. Si Sulak. Napangiti pa nga si King. Sabi ni King, seryoso ka, dadaan ka rito?
Sigurado ka dito?
5'11 Balse against, and 6'3 Taiwan against 5'5 Jolina. Let's see this timeout now from Clint.
Binalo mo, tas wala na. Pwede pa naman yun eh. Nag-block ka naman eh. Hindi naman na-cover, hindi naman outside. Sumusuko ka kagad. Alam mo naman na ma-blocking ka eh, di ba? Dapat din-expect mo na yun. Para pag bumalik sa'yo, alam mo gagawin. Ito, kailangan natin mo dito.
At itong score natin, 23-16. Once again, itong San Sebastian just shooting themselves in the foot. So they need to get things together. They are down by 7. At ito ngayon si Marua Banatikla to put it in play for UST, just needing 2 more points to take a 2-0 lead in Game 1 of the semifinals. Back set, Labiano. Nice save by Caballejo. Banatikla across. Here's De Leon shooting it across for Boli. Great save, still alive! And Caballejo getting it across. Boli!
Boli, finally!
Enough, Judian. Ate? Cute talaga rito si Boli. Hello, Kuya. Here is that wicked attack, impending doom.
That was a good angle chosen also by Jam Boli. Kita niya kasi dalawa, ang laki-laki ni Nen na nasa harapan niya. So talagang kailangan niyang iwas. Nen.
Taiwan, blocked there by Labiano of all people.
Balse off the block. So So far, Ging Balse with everything she touches basically turns into a point.
Well, frustrating din yun as a defender. No? Natamaan ng blocker, kailangan mo talagang lumiko. Mahirap yun. So now, 7 set points for UST. Balse on the serve.
Better reception.
Well, naabangan that time si Boli ni Caballejo. Going across now for Labiano. Di makulangan for Judian. Yes!
Caballejo with a down-the-line hit.
And UST dispatches of San Sebastian once again. This time, 25-17. It was close in the beginning of the set, and then all of a sudden, UST said, well, let's get rid of them. Shaky play right now. Makikita natin dito.
It's a drop shot. And this is the setup here for Caballejo. Hammering it down the line.
And we will be back for set number 3.